Hello everyone, welcome to the IchimokuCharts.com daily analysis for gold for Wednesday, February the 17th, 2010. Change of character for the market today, and as we mentioned previously, every time in this first time frame uptrend that the market was in, after one of these very large green candle days, we had a fairly small bodied red candle. Now, the body of this candle, though, is quite a bit larger than the previous ones that we've seen over the previous week or so. So there is potential for this market to trade off. Having said that, though, the trend is still up. We still have a first time frame uptrend with a higher high and a higher low. So we don't have a change of trend at the moment. We do have the bears in control with the current candle, though, and they've shown some commitment, and certainly the bulls have lost commitment because they tried to trade the market up towards the cloud here, and it offered resistance, as we know the cloud can do, and we can see previously the cloud offered resistance, and the sellers came in and the bulls lost the commitment that they had. The bears have also made some solid net bearish progress on the day between the open and the close, and they're fairly keen, certainly a lot keener than we've seen them over the previous week or so. So there is potential for this trend to change to the downside. Having said that, though, we do need to consider that the trend hasn't changed, as I said before. And we do have a very thin cloud, so the amount of resistance offered by this cloud, even though we did have the downside price rejection from it, the amount of resistance that it offers is not terribly substantial because of the width of the cloud. The width of the cloud determines how strong that resistance is, so there is still potential for the market to trade up through there. If the market trades up through the cloud and we have a solid bullish close up above, then the market will have a bullish bias overall in the longer term time frame. We don't have that yet, so we don't want to preempt what the market's going to do. Now, the market is still trading below the cloud, so we do have a bearish bias to this market, although it is trading up above the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen, so in the medium and fast time frames, the trend is up, although short-term dynamics don't support that at the moment. We also have the Tenkan-sen below the Kijun-sen, so we have a bearish market at the moment as well in terms of that, but the Tenkan-sen has turned up, reflecting the upside momentum in this market. Over the next day or so, very important to watch the low of the current candle for a potential change of trend, but also the high of the current candle and certainly the top of the Kumo for a potential breakout.